Oh my god, oh my god. The firing started from that. Oh my god. It's from that hilltop. We're not even able to study peacefully. School well hai, school well aita hai. Thala kap kap zengo hai. It's the same school where yesterday some of these stray bullets hit the walls of the school. Even this morning when we are trying to take classes, they have started firing from that hilltops, from their very